EJK here. I'm gonna do the table now. I am level 5. You have to be level 5 to do the table. So I am able to do the table. Yep, reclaimed diamond wood table. And I'm doing the Nature's Calling event. And I did move it because it was raining out, so I wanted to move it underneath the ceiling. So I moved it because I did have it over here and she was getting wet and she did not like that. Okay. So now we're doing the table. I'm excited to get the outhouse. I don't know about you, but that's what I'm excited for. And it looks like I have a stinky plant. A symphony of serenity, bringing nature. Oh shoot! Echoes from the cave. You hear the wind whisper. It transforms into the form of Delaria fern, a vibrant plant sim. The wind has guided you to this moment. You'll need to adapt at handiness. Continue. Okay. And you got points. So let's get the points. Now we're doing the echoes from the cave. Now, gotta craft the wooden throne. Have a sim spend time outdoors and return to Desert Bloom Park. The wooden throne. We can't do that yet. Level 8. We have to reach level 8. Put that new recipe to good use. Reach level 8 in the handiness skill, then select the. Okay, so we gotta have level 8. Level 5. Okay, return to Desert Bloom Park. So we're gonna go ahead and travel. I'm gonna travel on the phone. I'm not gonna take anybody with me. I know you're tired and hungry. Goodness. I don't know why, but she's not getting enough sleep. Maybe it's because the stereo is on and she's not really liking that. Maybe. I don't know.